Ever wondered what Bluzelle is? Well, let's embark on a fascinating journey into the world of blockchain technology to find out. Bluzelle was born out of a need for more efficient data management. With the rise of decentralized applications, or dApps, a new type of data network was needed, and that's where Bluzelle comes in. Imagine a world where data isn't stored in one place but distributed across countless locations worldwide. That's the essence of blockchain technology, and Bluzelle fits perfectly into this ecosystem. It provides a decentralized data network for dApps, ensuring that data is accessible, secure, and always available when needed. So it's not just about the technology, it's about a new way of managing and accessing data in an increasingly interconnected world. A world where data is no longer controlled by a select few but is free and available to all. So, Bluzelle is a decentralized data network for dApps, but how does it work? Let's dive deeper. Bluzelle operates in a unique way that sets it apart from other blockchain networks. Let's break down how it works in simple terms, so even the newest crypto enthusiast can grasp the concept. At its core, Bluzelle is a decentralized database that allows for data to be stored and managed in a secure, tamper-proof manner. It's a fancy way of saying it's a safe place to store data that's virtually impossible to mess with. But how does it accomplish this? Well, it's all about the consensus algorithm, a critical component of any blockchain network. Bluzelle uses a consensus algorithm to ensure data integrity, meaning it verifies that the data stored on the network is accurate and has not been altered in any way. In the world of Bluzelle, this consensus is reached through a method called swarming. This might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's actually a very effective way of managing data. Imagine a swarm of bees. Each bee, or in this case node, has a specific task in the hive or network. The network is made up of many of these swarms, each one responsible for storing and managing a different set of data. By spreading the data across multiple swarms, Bluzelle ensures that no single point of failure can bring the entire system down. It's a bit like having multiple backup hard drives for your computer, each one storing a different set of files, and here's the kicker: the more nodes or bees in the network, the more secure and robust the system becomes. This is because each new node adds another layer of redundancy, further ensuring the integrity of the data. So, to put it simply, Bluzelle is like a vast, decentralized beehive, buzzing with activity and securely storing data across a network of swarms. Each swarm has its own task, working together to create a robust, scalable, and secure database. In essence, Bluzelle is a secure, scalable, and decentralized database service for dApps. With its unique approach to data management, Bluzelle holds significant potential in the blockchain sphere. This platform is all about offering a new level of data security, scalability, and decentralization. Now you might be wondering, why are these features a game changer? Well, let's break it down. In terms of security, Bluzelle uses a unique algorithm to store data, ensuring it's not just safe, but also tamper-proof. This is a major selling point for businesses dealing with sensitive information. When it comes to scalability, Bluzelle doesn't just grow, it thrives. As more nodes join the network, the system becomes stronger and more robust, capable of handling vast amounts of data with ease. And finally, decentralization. By removing the need for a central authority, Bluzelle empowers users, giving them full control over their data. With these benefits, Bluzelle has the potential to transform the way dApps handle data. Now, you may be wondering, what's the future of Bluzelle in terms of its value? Indeed, this is a question on many minds. Like any cryptocurrency, Bluzelle's value isn't immune to fluctuations. However, there are a few factors that could influence its future worth. Firstly, Bluzelle's unique technology. It's a decentralized database service for dApps, decentralized applications. This innovative solution has a potential to drive demand, and as we know, increased demand could lead to an increase in value. Secondly, the overall market trend in the crypto space is another vital factor. The world is gradually embracing cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. As this trend continues, it could have a positive impact on Bluzelle's value. However, let's tread lightly with price predictions. The crypto market is notoriously volatile and unpredictable. Yet given these factors, Bluzelle does show promise. While no one can predict the future with certainty, Bluzelle's unique technology and the growing demand for decentralized services make it a promising investment. So that's a basic overview of Bluzelle in a nutshell. Today, we've covered its core concept, how it operates, and the incredible potential it holds for the future of decentralized data management. We've also explored its potential trajectory in the crypto market. But as we've stressed, cryptocurrencies like Bluzelle come with inherent risks. It's crucial to conduct your own due diligence and make informed decisions. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies always comes with risks, so always do your own research and invest wisely.